So I've been inspired. I've been inspired by a friend of mine to do a rant on tearless baby shampoo. See, my friend and I were having a very deep conversation about our childhoods. Stuff like how Dora's grown up and Blue is a chick and Steve is gone. Pluto's not a planet. Indigo's not a color. And how the world is falling apart around us because of the ignorance of the next generation. And the biggest discussion that we had was about tearless shampoo. You know it. You thought you would love it. You've used it. Your mom and dad have used it in your hair time and time again, saying, it's totally cool if I squirt this in my kids' eyes because they're not going to die from it. It's tearless. That's a lie. For all of you who know that your parents were lying to you the whole time, I commend you. But for children like me, who had total faith in their parents and the shampoo company, this is heartbreaking. So, I was looking back on it, and now that I think about it, there were numerous times in which my mom would wash my hair when I was little with this tear-free Johnson stuff, and my eyes would feel like someone sprayed acid in them. Just like, oh, here, want some acid? Let me just, oh, wait, sorry, totally just got that in your cornea and your pupil. It's all good, though. It's totally cool, because, you're just a little kid. You'll never have to see again. It's all good. It's good. But anyways, now that I know that this is a lie, I'm starting to wonder about what else they've lied to me about. Let's see here. Like magic bubbles. Like, the big, huge bubble ones that made bubbles like the size of your head? Is this illusion? Did they water down the solution nowadays? Because I swear, back in my day, I didn't have to walk uphill 10 miles to school and back both ways. But I did make some pretty awesome bubbles. And now that I see the bubble wands today, I'm distraught. I'm heartbroken. Seriously. Like, this has seriously broken my heart. Because, you work so hard trying to build up this esteem of your childhood nostalgia. And then stuff like this happens. It's heartbreaking. This wasn't really a rant. It's more like a memorial to childhood and all the lies that have been ruined. At least Santa's still real.